Do an unboxing of the Amigo RT Express. Amigo makes about 4 different units. You can get in the Shabbat mode also. Elevated seat, different seats. They offer different seats. You kind of customize this scooter. It's a little bit different. It's American made. It's a higher end, a little bit more expensive, but once people buy Amigos, they stay with Amigo. So we're a dealer of theirs, Anatech. Usually people get it white glove delivery. It's a premier scooter. I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. If you do decide to get the free drop ship to you, this is what you'll have to do. It will come packaged probably very nice, and they ship them kind of quick. So about 10 days right now is the lead time. It's on a pallet. Here's this. So you're just gonna unbox this by taking this out. I think this is the first time I've unboxed this unit. So sometimes I go into these blind, just like you would. So inside of here, you'll have another box. This is a large front basket. It's very nice. It's big. It's bigger than most baskets you will see on a unit. Shabbat mode can be added. Check out our website. It tells you. This is the Premier 2 seat. So this is going to be the next seat up. It's pretty nice. Padded swivel seat. This will be your accessory port. So this is an 18 width, 16 in depth, and a 16 in height. It is a swivel. Then we come inside and we see the armrest. Pull these right out. Pretty nice padded. I like this cover that they put on it. It's the right armrest. So we'll show you how that all goes on the seat. Once we get the unit out, we'll get the other one out. And it's not so wasteful with packaging, so that is nice to see. See a lot of these units come in, there's so much packaging. What we'll do here is we'll rip this box apart, or you can cut it with a razor blade. I'll just tear that apart and start taking this packaging off. If the box ever does come in damaged, just disregard it. So here's your freewheel. We're gonna hit that freewheel. We're just gonna roll this right out. Right, here's the freewheel. It's not flashy like some units. It doesn't have to be. It's a workhorse. It's dependable. It's American made. Your adjustable tiller should be right. Just loosen that. So we got the box out of here. You'll see a lot of Amigos in the grocery stores. Now people say they go in the grocery stores, the scooters don't work. Don't use that against the brand. It's mostly the grocery store and people not charging it back up. That's the common problem with these units. So this is kind of narrow, which is nice because a lot of people do use this inside the house. It's about 21 inches from wheel to wheel. It says overall width 23.5, and I'm measuring, that's probably with the seat. I'm measuring the wheel base at 21.5 inches. Overall length right now is about 42 inches on the specs, but I'm measuring about 39 with the basket off. So with the basket on, we'll probably make it to 42. Turning radius is a 33 inch. Weight capacity is 250. And it has a 22-mile battery range, up to 5 miles per hour. So let's get back into the unboxing of it. We're gonna take this off. Again, since it's made over here, you'll see all the wasteful packaging, which for us is nice. And for you. But everything's gonna be very simple. Very, very simple. This is in the midnight black. It also comes in a classic red and a true blue. Here's your main key. Again, you still want to give it an overnight charge. And then the spare key will be in the manual. So the manual's in the basket. I'll show you that. So this will go in here. And we'll get the seat on. You might have to connect the batteries. I'm about to check. So we'll take, don't think you're gonna have to connect the batteries in there. Nope, you will not have to check the batteries or do anything with inside this shroud, so leave this alone. This has an elevated seat. Here's your freewheel. So it's in freewheel, you can roll it. This is in drive, so it won't move. So you want it in that. So we'll go ahead, and this is your, look, charging port. So you always have it with you. So you can pull it out, it's a ratchet. It comes right back in. Cool stuff like that. Very, very simple. Very, very dependable. We'll put the seat on here. And we'll see what they're having us do here. So get that on, lock that down. So there's your swivel. Connect the arms. Tighten this up. You can see how I'm tightening it up. Connect the other arm. Tighten it up. And then these are adjustable. So if you loosen that, you can adjust the width or bring it in. This isn't a unit that you're going to be taking apart. It doesn't come apart. It's not made to come apart. They do have another unit. They're redesigning it, the Travel Mate, coming out soon. Here's your basket. It's light, big, nice. And it just connects somehow, like that. So obviously you want to charge it up before you use it. We'll turn this on. This is your rabbit, turtle, so it goes by numbers. Horn, you have a light. On the front, and you have a light on the back. These are your anti-tips. You can take these off. It's an extra bar for protection. That might make some noise when you're riding it. Most people don't ride these all the time as an off-road vehicle. This is a little bit rubber for grip. Brake release 2 times. So if we're looking at the dash, you got your horn, your battery indicator, your speed's at 1, that's the slowest. To make it faster, you just press this. It goes up to 5 miles per hour. So just keep 5 miles per hour, 4. Light, we showed the lights on the front and the back. This is a brake release, so you don't see this at all. You can brake release from the back, but if you hit this twice, it puts it in freewheel. Why would that be good? If someone wanted to move it without having to bend down, I guess, that would be a cool feature. Hit that back and it works. But if you hit this twice, it's not gonna work. And then this one has a seat elevator on it. So this is nice to get in and out the unit. To maybe get something out of a cabinet. From the floor to the seat height is 27 inches. And again, you still have your flip back arms, swivel seat, and you lock that back. So, like I said, when people get these units, they stay with these units. I've had many customers that have had Amigos. That's all they'll buy. That's all they care about. We'll bring the seat back down. that's as low as it will go. This right here is your tiller. So you can, it's not a feather touch, but it's really easy to operate, and it's right here, so I'm having to reach down. This says made in the USA, which is very nice. Some warning messages on here. But it's all around, it's a very good, very, very dependable scooter by Amigo. They make a couple different ones. This is the RT Express in the Midnight Black. Give us a call if you have any questions. And again, we do a white glove delivery. We do a free drop ship. I think you'll be happy with this unit, especially if you're going to be using something all the time and you want something extremely, extremely dependable. This is a very good unit. Optional seats, 3 different ones. Check out our website. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. Put in Amigo RT. We'll go to this one. Thank you and have a great day.